Break through. To forcefully make a way through an obstacle. The army finally broke through enemy lines. She broke through the fear and spoke on stage. Break through. To achieve success after a lot of effort or struggle. He broke through in the film industry after years of hard work. Scientists broke through in cancer research this year. Get through. To successfully complete a task or difficult situation. She got through the exam with good marks. I got through a tough day at work today. Get through. To successfully contact someone by phone or other means. I tried calling, but I couldn't get through to him. After many attempts, I finally got through to customer service. Get through. To endure a difficult time or situation. She got through the loss of her father with great courage. With friends' support, I got through my depression. Go through. To experience something difficult or unpleasant. She went through a lot after losing her job. We are going through tough economic times. Go through. To examine something carefully. I need to go through these documents before signing. He went through all the files to find the missing report. Go through. For a law, agreement, or deal to be officially accepted or completed. The new policy went through last night. Our business deal went through successfully. Look through. To quickly read or examine something. I looked through the magazine while waiting. She looked through her notes before the exam. Pull through. To recover from a serious illness or difficult situation. The doctor said he will pull through after the surgery. She pulled through a very tough time in her life. See through. To realize the true intentions or reality of something. I can see through his lies. She saw through his fake kindness. Run through. To move quickly through something or quickly repeat something. The thief ran through the crowd and escaped. Let's run through the main points before the meeting. Live through. To survive or experience a difficult situation. He lived through the war as a child. She lived through a terrible accident and recovered. Sleep through. To remain asleep despite noise or disturbance. I slept through the entire storm. He slept through the alarm and was late for work. Think through. To consider something carefully before making a decision. Think through your options before making a decision. She thought through the consequences before speaking. Walk through. To explain something step by step. The instructor walked us through the new software. Can you walk me through the process? Breeze through. To do something quickly and easily. She breezed through the test without any trouble. He breezed through the interview and got the job. Talk through. To discuss something carefully and in detail. Let's talk through our plan before we start. We talked through the problem and found a solution.
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more Only English vocabulary.